Getting ready to refresh your look? Medium hair with bangs is the perfect low-effort, high-impact combination. Discover the 10 most stunning, easy-to-manage styles that will instantly elevate your everyday glamour. Ready for a beautiful change? 1. Textured lob with curtain bangs. This cut hits just above the shoulders, using long layers and a tousled finish to create natural volume. Curtain bangs are the ultimate low-maintenance fringe, effortlessly framing the face and requiring minimal styling, making it suitable for most hair types, particularly those with a slight natural wave. This style is ideal for those who want a versatile look that transitions seamlessly from the office to a casual weekend. The long layers and blended bangs prevent the cut from looking heavy, making it a great choice for medium to thick hair without weighing it down. The effortless styling of the textured lob means it can often be air-dried with just a touch of texturizing spray. The length is perfect for creating a polished yet relaxed look, and the bangs grow out gracefully, extending the time between trims. 2. Soft shag with wispy bangs. The shag is known for its heavily layered, effortless rock and roll vibe, making it inherently low maintenance. Wispy bangs, which are soft and separated, blend seamlessly with the layers, avoiding a harsh line. This is excellent for fine hair as the layers add much-needed movement and body. The best part about a shag is that it's designed to look undone. A simple scrunch of mousse or sea salt spray is all that's needed for a perfect, textured finish. The shorter layers on top create lift and volume without demanding a complex blow-dry. This cut works wonders for those with angular or square face shapes as the layers and wispy fringe soften the overall appearance. The mid-length keeps the style modern and prevents it from appearing too retro, making it a timeless choice. 3. Blunt lob with straight across bangs. A blunt lob is characterized by a single, sharp cutting line at the ends, creating the illusion of thicker, fuller hair. Paired with straight, full bangs that hit just above the eyes, this style offers a bold, chic, and polished look, best suited for straight or slightly wavy hair. While the bluntness may seem high maintenance, the lack of layers means it is incredibly easy to style straight. It requires less effort than layered cuts, only needing a flat iron for the ends and bangs. This is an excellent option for those with thinner hair looking for maximum density. The clean, defined edges of this haircut frame the jawline beautifully, giving a strong structure to the face. Regular trims are key to maintaining the sharp line, but the everyday styling remains minimal and quick, just a sleek finish. 4. Layered mid-cut with side-swept bangs. Long, strategic layers throughout the mid-length cut add movement and body without sacrificing length. Side-swept bangs are the most forgiving fringe style, effortlessly blending into the layers and requiring minimal redirection with a brush, making them virtually foolproof. This cut is universally flattering and works well on all hair textures. The side-swept fringe is perfect for rounder faces, as the diagonal line helps to elongate the facial structure, creating a slimming effect. It's a classic style for a reason. It always looks good. For those hesitant about committing to full bangs, the side sweep is the ideal gateway fringe. It requires zero daily attention, simply tuck it behind the ear or let it fall naturally. The medium length offers high versatility for updos while keeping the maintenance low. 5. Curly lob with long face framing fringe. This style embraces natural curls, cutting the length to the shoulder for less weight, which allows the curls to spring up and achieve maximum bounce. The fringe is cut dry, following the natural curl pattern to create a soft, face-framing cascade that requires only curl cream for definition. Medium length is the sweet spot for curly hair. It's long enough to maintain the curl pattern, but short enough to prevent it from becoming overly heavy or stretched out. This cut minimizes heat styling, relying on air drying and a good product, making it incredibly low maintenance. The length of the fringe is strategic. It hits below the eyebrows, which allows for natural shrinkage and prevents the bangs from becoming too short. This cut is perfect for the curly-haired individual seeking structure and an easy wash-and-go routine. 6. A-line lob with piecey bangs. The A-line lob is subtly shorter in the back and gradually longer toward the front, creating a polished, chic shape. Piecey bangs are light, textured, and slightly separated, adding an edgy, modern softness that contrasts beautifully with the sharp A-line. The distinct shape of the A-line requires minimal effort to maintain its form, no complex layering needed. Piecey bangs are easy to style with just a tiny amount of pomade or wax to emphasize the texture, making it an ideal choice for busy mornings. This cut works exceptionally well for oval and heart-shaped faces, as the A-line length draws attention to the jaw and neck, while the piecey fringe balances the forehead. It provides a structured look without the commitment of a full bob. 7. Wavy choppy cut with feathered fringe. A choppy cut uses varied lengths to create an intentional, slightly messy texture that works best on wavy hair. Feathered bangs are softer than a blunt fringe, cut with a tapering technique that gives them a lighter, airy finish, perfect for blending into waves. The built-in texture of this style means little to no heat is required. Simply enhance the natural wave with the texturizing spray. This is the definition of low maintenance. As the style improves, the more live-in it looks, perfect for the woman on the go. The feathered fringe softens the features and prevents the haircut from looking too heavy, making it a great option for those with thicker hair who want to reduce bulk without sacrificing movement. It's a flattering style for nearly every face shape. 8. Collarbone length with micro layers and deep side bang. This cut uses subtle, or micro, layers around the ends to encourage movement without the hair looking overly layered. The deep side part combined with a long side bang is incredibly versatile, easily pinned back or swept across the forehead for an instant style change. Ideal for straight hair, this cut relies on precision over texture, making styling straightforward with a quick pass of a brush. The deep side part provides volume at the crown effortlessly, solving the issue of flatness without requiring heat styling. The minimal layering makes grow out a breeze, as the style maintains its clean shape for a long time. The deep side bang is particularly effective for those with a wider forehead, as it offers great coverage while creating a stylish, asymmetrical look. 9. Straight mid-length with bottleneck bangs. Bottleneck bangs are the modern update to the curtain fringe, starting narrow and shorter in the center and gradually widening as they sweep around the eyes and cheekbones. Paired with a straight, polished mid-length, this creates a chic, sophisticated look. This style requires minimal heat styling for the main length, focusing instead on a quick blow-dry of the bangs to achieve their signature bottleneck curve. It's a great choice for fine hair, as the solid length provides the appearance of fullness. The gradual length of the bottleneck fringe is incredibly flattering for many face shapes, specifically those with a prominent jawline, as the soft curves draw the eye to the cheekbones. This cut remains clean and elegant, perfect for a professional setting. 10. Air-dried lob with arch bangs. This is the ultimate low-maintenance pairing. The lob length is easy to manage, and the arch bangs, a softly rounded fringe, are designed to fall naturally with minimal effort. This cut is perfect for those who want to completely ditch the blow dryer. The arch shape of the bangs is incredibly versatile, working with the hair's natural slight wave. When air-dried, the hair maintains a relaxed, effortless texture. This style is particularly flattering for oval and long face shapes, as the rounded fringe helps to shorten the look of the face. By keeping the length around the collarbone and avoiding heavy layers, the hair's natural volume is preserved. The arch bangs maintain a soft, feminine touch while ensuring the overall style is easy to refresh with just water and a little bit of leave-in conditioner. Don't forget to share your favorite style number in the comments.